Yummy.
Yummy.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my cooking. Today we'll be making some jollof rice, and I'm very excited about this because everyone loves the Nigerian jollof. I've been waiting for a while to make this video and it's finally here. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using. First, I have some sliced onions, some paprika, some tinned tomato and fresh tomatoes, curry powder, blended ginger, hot habanero pepper, crushed seasoning cubes, some salt and bay leaves. These are all very common and easy to get ingredients. So first thing I'll do is to cut the tomatoes and paprika into blendable chunks and then blend with as little water as possible so that the tomato fries faster. Then I'll heat up some cooking oil and add some salt before going in with the sliced onions, and then I would fry for about a minute. And now I'll pour in the blended tomato and paprika mix. This is the hardest part of jollof rice. If you saute your tomato mix very well, then it will definitely turn out well. So I'm going to saute this for about 10 minutes and also turn it at intervals so that it doesn't burn to the bottom. It's also better to cook this on a medium to low heat. So when the water has dried a little, I would now go in with some tomato paste so that both of them dry together, and then saute for another 5 minutes. Now I would add some salt, the seasoning cube, curry powder and the blended ginger. Then I would cover this for another 2-3 minutes. So when it gets to this texture, I will scoop out some of the sauce and keep aside. I will later add this back to the top of the rice to reduce the degree of the bottom of the food burning. Now I would add the meat stock and pour in some water, then stir to mix, and then go in with the parboiled rice and gently mix everything together. Then I would add back the sauce that I scooped out and carefully spread it on top of the rice. Then I would insert some bay leaves into the mix. We just needed to add some flavor and taste, so we are going to remove this when the food is done. I will now reduce the heat and then cover the lid with a sheet of airtight aluminium foil because we want it to cook slowly and evenly without burning the bottom of the food. And then I would cover the pot and let it cook for another 4 minutes. Then we go ahead and turn it well, and the jollof rice is ready to serve. The taste is tasty now. The aroma is so inviting. I wish you guys can perceive the aroma from there. But yeah, you can now serve with some salad, some dodo and fried turkey, or any other protein or vegetables that you have. So yeah, don't forget to try out this meal with my recipe and also drop your comment on how it turned out for you. And please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you again in my next video. Bye guys.